Hey guys, in my last video I showed you how to use Beef framework. Now most of you guys have thought how can we hack into a victim system using Beef framework? It only hacks into browsers. So today I'm gonna show you how we can start a Meterpreter session using Beef framework. So what I will do is I will first open Beef. I'll just open Beef framework. It's starting. So the default username and password is Beef, as you know. Okay, so it's open. Now I'm gonna use my Windows 7 as my victim's PC this time. So what I will do is I have to create a payload, that is a malicious file, which I will force the victim to install it, and so that we can hack into their system. So how will we do that? We can create a malicious file using any rat like ngrat or Quarso. I will be using MSF Venom. So what I will be doing is first I will be starting this MSF Venom. I will just create the malicious file, as you know how to create it. So first I will check the list of encoders. So we will wait for the list of encoders to come. Okay, now what I will do is I will select the encoder with the most excellent rank, because it will make our process faster. So I will select this one, and now I will write the create the malicious file. So what I will do is I'll go to Windows, Meterpreter slash reverse TCP. I will select the L host as my own IP, and the L port as 4444, which is the default L port for MSF console. You can select any other L port also. There are a lot of L ports available, virtual L ports available in any system. So now what I will do is I will write the E and paste the exploit. Now I will go give the format as exe and select the location where I am going to paste it. So for my case it will be desktop, so it is root slash desktop, and I'm gonna naming it as plugin.exe. Okay, so it's done. Oh shit, sorry. Okay, it's done. So we'll create the malicious file now. It's been created. In the meantime I'll go to, okay, it has been created already. Okay, done. So what I will do is I will just paste it in the local host position. So here I am pasting it. Okay, done. Now what I will do is I will again start service Apache. Okay, now the file will go to my IP. Now what I will do is I will go to Beef. First I will have to make the victim open my IP address, or the website link where you have hooked Beef. So I will just go to 100.168.1.104. So this is my web page. Now the victim is in my web page, so I will receive the connection here. We'll wait for the connection to come. Okay, so it's the IP is 105. We'll just check it. We'll go to CMD and type IP config. It is 105, so we are in the right system. Okay, now I'll go to commands, go to social engineering, and here are many ways you can enter the victim's computer. I'm gonna show you two in this video. First, I'll go to fake notification bar and give the it as slash plugin dot exe, which is the name of my file, and press execute. Now let's see what happens. We'll go to Windows C. Additional plugins are required to display all media on this page. Install missing plugins. So I'll just click on it. The victim will click on it. Victim will save the file. After it is completed, now what we will do is, before the victim opens the file, we have to open a listener for our file. So I will just open my listener quickly. I will go to MSF console. I will just clear this space out for you guys, or I will just go to a new tab. You guys can see it properly then. Okay, I will open MSF console. We have to first open the listener before the victim opens the file, because the listener needs to be started before any connection comes, so that the connection can be stored. So first is create the file and open the listener and keep it open until you receive the connection. So I'll quickly open the listener. MSF console is opening, that is Metasploit framework. We will just wait for it to open. Okay, it's open. Now what we'll do is we'll open the listener. So for that we will write use exploit multi slash handler. We are opening a Meterpreter session here. Okay, just a second. Okay, it's open. So now what we'll do is we'll set the payload. So we'll write set payload to Windows. Just a second, it takes some time here. I'll just wait. Okay, Windows Meterpreter slash reverse TCP. Okay, now we'll go to show options and set our IP address. Now we'll set L host 192.168.1.104. Okay, it's done. Now we'll exploit. Okay, reverse TCP handler on 192.168.1.104 at port 4444 has been started. Now it's waiting for connection. So what we'll do is we'll go to our victim's PC. Now what the victim will do is he'll open the file. He'll go to downloads. He'll run the plugin, because the website asks him to do that. See, we have opened the Meterpreter session. Now you can do anything here. You can take screenshots, you can go to a file, You can take a privilege escalation. You can do all that here. So what I am gonna do is I will just show a minimum thing to you. So I will take a screenshot. Okay, the screenshot is saved to root. So I'll go to my root and I will show you here. See, this is the screen opened here. So it has taken a screenshot. Now you can create a dictionary, sorry, directory, go there, do anything what you want. You can see we are in user HP downloads, and these are the files in it. So you can type cd, go back. Now you can see where you are. So now you are in user HP. You can again type cd dot dot. You have gone one more step back. You will type ls and you can see the files in C users. This way you can access. You can go to any file by pressing cd and the file name. So this is how you hack into any system using simple website. So that's what I did here. That's how you can use Beef framework to hack in into any system. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.